There's a frog.
There's the frog. Where the frog is where the eel is. Say, tell what's going on. An eel.
A big eel is eating a really big frog right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Where the frog is where the eel is. Oh my.
There's the eel.
Oh my goodness, that is incredible.
He's got him in the death row.
What is a death row mean?
He's spinning him. That's what crocodiles do. They grab something and bring them underwater, and they drown them by spinning them around, making them lose their air.
And there's tadpoles.
I really want to save the frog, but
the eel.
I'm messing with nature, and I shouldn't.
That eel looks like a shark. See? That looks like a shark. Make sure not to drop it on anyone.
I'm not.
What the heck?
Ain't that crazy?
I know. I'm glad we got it on camera, because then we could watch it. Then we could put it on TV. What the heck?
You see how dark that eel is? He can slip up on a frog and they can't even see him.
Like that eel is the same as that